I polished my nails with some of that polish that I showed in those boxes that I had packed up. I've had them packed up for at least 4 to 5 years, y'all. And I chose these two. This one I was a little worried about because it was kind of like gooey. And then this one was actually really watery. But they work pretty good. I think they turned out quite nice and shiny. I was like, how is this going to work? You know, I haven't used it in 4 to 5 years. It's probably going to be El Crapo, but it's not too bad. I really, really like the bright colors. And obviously, you know, I've had this a long time because you don't see these anymore. The Covergirl XL Nail Gel and the Rimmel London Salon Pro. I got this from CVS, and I think this from, like, Kmart or Myers or something like that, but many moons ago. And then on my cuticles and around my fingers, I have on my Rebecca and Madison cuticle butter and pumpkin eggnog. And my top coat, I used Seche Vite to dry them, and I'm thinking about putting on a glitter topper. So let me look and see what I can find, and I may put on a glitter topper. Oh, let me tell you all the colors, the names of colors. I cannot talk. This one is called Purple Rain. That's probably why I got it. Number 337. It's kind of blurry, but Purple Rain is the Rimmel Salon Pro, and the CoverGirl XL is Buxom Blue. This is such a pretty blue. I'm really, really liking this color. So yeah, 4 to 5 years, y'all. I have not used it. See those boxes over there? The bottom two I've had packed up for ages. So yeah, I was a little worried about how it was going to turn out, but I thought I'd give it a test, you know. See, you don't really have to throw away your polish when you've had them for so long. They'll work with you. This is one of my favorite toppers. I'm thinking this one. And I hope I'm not smudging my nails because I am good for that. Or, maybe this one. Let me see in the light because some of these have some different colors in it. Ooh, this may be pretty on top. So I got the Starlight Polish Diamond. And then this one, I can't remember if this one is thick or a thin coat or a thick coat. This is one of my favorites though. This one is called Starlight. They're on Instagram. It's Starlight Polish. I love her holographics. Are so beautiful. So pretty. Okay, I'm going to decide which one I'm going to use, and then I'll show you guys the end results. The Starlight Polish Diamond, because I didn't want it to be like really thick and overpowered. Like I thought this might have been too thick. I can't remember, you know, if this is a thick formula or thin. It looks kind of like a thick formula to me, and I really wanted the colors to show, so I just went with a subtle hollow glitter topper, which was this one. You guys can see. I don't know why it keeps turning blurry, but it won't really pick it up. Let's see in the light a little. Nope. I don't know. But yeah, I think it looks good. I don't know if you guys can even really tell, but you can see it kind of shimmering. I think it turned out cute with my 5-year-old polish, y'all. So all I need to do now is just put a top coat on my glitter. And I'm going to use my Scratches Sweeten Fast Dry Top Coat. This stuff is really glossy. I love the glossy look to it, and it dries just as fast as the Seche Vite. Like, I absolutely, if I don't have Seche Vite, this is my next go-to, is the Scratches Sweeten. It works like a charm. I love it. So I'm going to put that on as a top coat, and then I will be all done with my short little nubs. I do need to clean up a little bit. I didn't really do much cleanup yet, so don't judge me. But yeah, that's it. Thank y'all for watching. As always, please remember to click that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.